Ocean currents. There are two types of ocean currents: deep ocean currents and surface ocean currents. Deep ocean currents depend on the temperature and salinity of the water. That means how hot or cold it is and how much salt is in it. Remember, salt water is more dense than fresh water. Surface ocean currents are caused by wind moving across the surface of the water. The winds that we're talking about are trade winds. Ocean currents can affect the climate of the land near them. Places close to an ocean will have more rainfall and moderate temperature. That means it doesn't get too hot or too cold. One such current that affects the United States and parts of Europe is the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is a surface current that carries warm water from the Gulf of Mexico to otherwise cold areas, like near England. Here are some other wind surface currents. As we said earlier, the Gulf Stream is a surface current that can affect the climate of the United States and Europe. The Gulf Stream transports warm water from the tropical zone, namely the Gulf of Mexico, to North Atlantic. This keeps Europe warmer than average for its latitude. It has warmer winters and cooler summers. Take a look at this map. Why do the cities on the western coast of the United States have cooler temperatures than those on the eastern coast? It's because of the water temperature. Notice that on the west coast, the water is cooler than that on the east coast. This is why the west coast has cooler temperatures than the east coast.